Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to compress video files using a software called HandBrake. So whether you're trying to save space or prepare videos for upload, this method will help you reduce file size without sacrificing much on quality. So let's get right into it. First things first, you need to download a software called HandBrake. The link is in the description. After that, you choose your operating system. For myself, I use Windows, so I installed the Windows version. You need to download the installer and then run the installation. I already done that. As you can see here, my software is installed and now we will run it. It will prompt you with a window telling you to choose a video file. I already have a video file prepared for this tutorial called demo.mp4. I will drag and drop that onto the software. As you can see, our video is imported and we have a lot of settings here. So you want to choose your format at which you want to export the video. For myself, I would choose MP4, and then you go to the video tab where you see some other settings. First things first, you need to choose the encoder. I chose H264. I recommend that. And then you match your frame rate with the video's one. So my video is 60 frames per second, so I chose 60. And then you'll see a slider called constant quality. So to understand, the lower the number here is, the better quality of the video, but also the bigger size of the video file. If you want to slide it to the left, you will have a smaller video file but a much worse quality. I recommend to use the value of 22, which is good for HD videos. You won't notice a degradation in quality, and it will reduce a lot the file size. You can go higher, but you will notice further and further a bigger quality degradation. Now we will choose the path for our output video here. As you can see, the default one, it will save the output in the videos folder. I will leave it as it is, and now let's start the encoding by clicking Start Encoding. Now you'll need to wait for the video to encode, and I'll be right back when it's finished. Now that the video exported successfully and that the encoding is finished, let's compare the sizes of the two video files. First, the source video is 316 megabytes. And then for the output, which is in the videos folder, it is 24.1 megabytes. As you can see, HandBrake just let us reduce the file size by more than 10 times and without any quality degradation. As you can see, the video is very clear and we can't notice a quality drop. And now this is the end of this video. As you saw, I gave you a simple, free and fast method to do video compression. If you like the video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. I respond to all of them. See you in the next video. Bye bye.